Friends, today I am giving a tutorial of Laravel 8 which I will cover how to create a project, Jetstream installation and authentication process. Before creating a project, we must have Jam Server 7.4 and above version and software composer and npm or node. Let's begin how to create a project in command prompt. Let's open command prompt. Then type composer create project Laravel/Laravel, your project name and hyphen hyphen preferred dist. Let's press enter. Now the software is installed properly. Let's see. Type cd, then your project name, then type php artisan sub. It's starting the Laravel development server. This is localhost 8000, right? Let's see. Laravel 8 is here. Here is the version. Now install Laravel Jetstream. This is the URL how to install Jetstream. First, install Jetstream first. Copy this code. Paste it here in your command prompt. Now Jetstream is installed. Then this is installed with Liveware. Liveware is the package of UI where we will develop all the projects pages and functionality. Here we can do with this Laravel PHP addition Jetstream install liveware or PHP addition Jetstream install liveware teams. If we need any team supports or if you are working in a team, then you can install this hyphen hyphen teams, or else you can install this. Let's copy the team, then paste it here. Okay, it's already installed. Then run the npm command, which is this. Okay, it's showing build successful. We are here. Let's refresh. It's not showing. Okay, php addition sub. Okay, now see what is the error. Unknown database. Okay, let's create a database. Okay, new database. Project management underscore db and before created. Okay, now database is created. We'll open this project in PHP Storm. Open. Application. htdocs. Project development management. This is the project structure. Let's set up the environment. This is the environment. Okay, let's change the preference. Appearance light. Okay, now it's showing visible. Okay, then we have to give the app name. This is project management. App URL is localhost 8000. Your database name is, now I have created project management db. Username is root and password is blank. Now no more changes required. Then let's start the server again. PHP addition server. Okay. Let's see. Okay, there is no table. Okay, Open the PHP store. There is a terminal. Will PHP authentication. You can type this command in command prompt also. This is also a command prompt which is included in the PHP storm IDE. Let's enter. Okay, all the tables are created. Let's see in the database. Okay, all the tables are here. Then we can open this. Okay, here is the login and register. We have no user created now, so I am going to register. Register. Okay, administrator admin@admin.com. Okay, register. Here we can see the dashboard. Here is the team, administrator team setting create. Here is the admin profile. We can change our password also, two-factor authentication, browser session and delete account. Logout, then login again. Admin@admin.com. Yes, we can log. Okay,